Hello guys, Double J's here. Does your phone's battery die really fast? And the number one solution for that is to use the power bank. But the problem with the power bank is that they're too big and heavy, which makes it harder to carry around. Well, I have a perfect solution for that. What I have here is a new capsule power bank from Adicop. This is small but very useful. So today we're gonna unbox this, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to Double J's, and if you're interested in that product, I'll drop the link down below. So let's get started. Here is the case. You can see that it's small, so let's open it. The battery comes in a plastic case, and you can see the manual guide. Let's keep that on the side and let's open it. So you can see the plastic case, and let's get it out. And you can see the color is red and black, and also you can see a charger. You can see that it's powered by USB type C, and it can be charged through micro USB. Here is the charger. As I told you, it's powered by micro USB. There's no adapter, which is a downside, and not sure what that's for. So I'm gonna test this battery out for a few days. So I'm back after a few days, and I'm gonna show you the specs and features about this battery. And in terms of specs and features, even though the main purpose of this is for a Oculus headset, it can be really useful while you're playing games, and if your headset ran out of battery, you can really use this, and you don't have to be worried about a long wire attached to your headset. You can use this as a perfect solution for it. Not only VR headset, you can use it for phone power headset like the Desktop V5. When you're using a phone power headset like the Desktop V5, you need this. This is connected through USB type C and can be charged through micro USB. This is only 3300 milliamp, and that's really good for a small battery like this. And when you look at the design, it's black and red, and you can see a light indicator over here. So when you're charging this, it blinks, and when it's fully charged, it will stop blinking. By looking at the design aspect, this is like a bigger version of a AA battery because of the size and the design and also the weight. This is really lightweighted, and guess what? This is only 3.5 ounces, which makes it easier to carry around. Overall, I really do recommend this product for minor uses like the Oculus and phone charging. And if you want a better one, you can get it, but it won't be small and convenient like this. This is small, that's why it's really convenient. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Double J's, and I'll see you in the next one.